Ever wondered how do smart devices like smart watch, smart TV, smart fridge, smart washing machine, etc. are so smart? Well, answer to this is hidden in the Internet of Things. So let's see what actually this Internet of Things is. Well, IoT is a platform in which many internet enabled devices or embedded devices communicate with each other, form a network, import export data, and send it to a centralized server from where, after analyzing it, it is sent to a required place. Sounds interesting, right? So, is it a new technology? Well, no. It was first used in 1982 with a Coca-Cola vending machine in which it could tell whether the Coke cans inside the machine are chilled or not. So you must be keen to know about its usefulness in our life. Well, you might have heard about the smart homes in which everything is automated. You can control appliances using your smartphone. Your home can itself close the door if no motion is detected. Isn't it interesting? It can be used with CCTV cameras as well. Like whenever you are at your office, it can notify you at your smartphone whenever it detects some motion at your house or somewhere important place. Now assume a very interesting situation. On your basis of daily routine, your home is automated and whenever you reach home, you find that lights are already on. Your appliances like AC has already cooled in your room and your bathtub is filled. Isn't it interesting? Next very important thing it can be used with is car accidents. If a car is IoT enabled and it meets with some accident, it can immediately send location to emergency services like fire brigade, ambulance, police so they can reach there. So let's talk about its future and potential. Well, everybody knows that future is of automation only, everything will be automated. For now, we have only reached about 1 to 2% of IoT's potential. Well, you might have heard about the term smart cities. One of them is being set up in India as well, that is Dholera Smart City in Gujarat, which can automate everything and will be a very advanced version of cities. Another very interesting thing is IoT enabled robotic arm, which can work on basis of your command of hands. Another very interesting and trending implementation of IoT is smart cars or driverless cars, which can drive themselves, park themselves, and perform everything themselves which a driver has to do. The future in the field of medicine is also going to be automated, like robots will be doing the surgery rather than the doctors doing them, and also it will reduce the rate of accidents which are being faced today by doctors. Well, SlogFi has worked on IoT and has brought to you a range of IoT enabled devices which can ease your life and can provide you a good comfort level. So the first one on our list is IoT Onboard Diagnostics for your vehicles. It can provide you a number of features like protecting teen drivers, managing fuel costs, tracking trips, preventing unauthorized movements, vehicle diagnostic, battery monitoring, find car smarter, fuel consumption, mileage, idle time, service time, driving behavior, overspeed, sudden brake and acceleration, journey history, predictive maintenance, scheduled services, spare parts, health check, etc. etc. List goes on. So next one on our list is IOT Agro, which when used in agriculture can increase your level of output and efficiency. It can check soil data every 15 minutes, each day, each week, each month, each season. It can alert you on poor soil conditions and help you take proactive measures quickly. You can gain insights on soil's fertility and estimate your production even before the cultivation. Well, the last but not the least on our list is IOT Heart. It is very useful to find whether high blood pressure has caused any damage to heart or blood vessels. Like we all know, blood pressure has become very common in people. Now let's see what all IoT Heart can detect. It can detect cholesterol clogging up your heart's blood supply, a heart attack in the past, enlargement of one side of heart, abnormal heart rhythms. And what makes it interesting is that you can just get all the data on one tap. So if you found IoT interesting, you can experience it in current life by reaching us at www.slogfi.com and following our social media handles and contact number.